Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with part 2 of a 3-part video series on Fannie Mae's new enhancements to the HomeStyle renovation loan. And just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Fannie Mae guidelines. Also, this video was issued on March 13th, 2018, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. So as we've already discussed, the HomeStyle renovation loan allows a borrower to purchase or refinance a home and finance in funds for repairs, modeling, or energy improvements. Let's continue to take a look at the enhancements that Fannie Mae has made to the program. The maximum LTV, CLTV, and HCLTV have been increased to 97% of the after improved value. So this is allowed on 1-unit principal residence purchases and limited cash out refinance transactions. Also, the limit on eligible renovation funds for a purchase has been increased to 75% of the lesser of the following: the acquisition cost plus renovation costs, so the cost to purchase the home plus whatever the renovation costs will be, or the as completed value. So it's 75% of the lesser of these two calculations. The limit for refinances is renovation funds up to 75% of the as completed value. Renovation funds may be used to construct accessory units on the subject property as long as the unit is in compliance with local zoning. All right, that concludes part 2 of this 3-part video series. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org to look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.